What is up, Tonic Nation? This is Donnie, and welcome to Tonics for Life. And on this video, I'm actually going to show you a nerve damage repair juice recipe that's going to help you get rid of that neuropathic pain. Remember that tingling, burning, numbness sensation that's keeping you awake at night? That is the recipe I'm talking about. Let's go.
Hey, Juicy, did you know that if you are in your 40s and up, that burning, tingling, or numbness you feel in your hands and feet at night, that is your nerve sending you a warning signal. Yes, and if you ignore it, it gets worse. And here's the thing, Gabapentin does not repair your nerves. It only masks the pain signal. So people are left asking, is there a better way? Yes, because of what your nerves actually need is to heal. Your nerves are a living tissue, and a living tissue needs specific nutrients to regenerate. Nutrients that most American over 40s are not getting enough of, especially from processed foods. That is exactly why this juice works. Starting with sweet potato. Sweet potato are rich in vitamin B6, a nutrient that helps the body produce neurotransmitters and maintain the protective myelin sheath that surrounds nerves. Healthy levels of vitamin B6 may support nerve repair, reduce tingling or numbness, and improve overall nerve communication. Next is fresh ginger. Ginger fights neuroinflammation directly. It reduces the inflammatory response that is attacking your nerve tissue every single day. Then, lemon. Lemon is high in vitamin C, and vitamin C is what your body uses to rebuild and protect myelin sheath, a protective coating around your nerves. Without enough vitamin C, your body literally cannot maintain nerve structure. Then add tart cherry. Tart cherry are rich in compound called anthocyanins, an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds that may help calm inflammation linked to nerve discomfort and muscle soreness. Natural melatonin, which may improve sleep quality, which is important because poor sleep can worsen nerve pain and slow recovery. Then mix them all up into a juicer and pour the juice into a cup. Then add turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, one of the most studied anti-inflammatory compounds in the world. Curcumin directly targets nerve inflammation, the root cause of most neuropathic pain. But here's the key. Add a pinch of black pepper. Without the black pepper, most of the turmeric passes through your system unused. Black pepper increases your body ability to absorb curcumin by up to 2,000%. Then add 1 tablespoon soaked chia seeds. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and magnesium, which may help calm inflammation that can irritate nerves and contribute to tingling, burning, or discomfort. Their high fiber content can also help support healthy blood sugar levels, an important factor in protecting nerve health over time. Then 1 tablespoon of flaxseed. Flaxseed are packed with omega-3 fatty acids that may help reduce inflammation around the nerves and support healthier nerve function. They also contain antioxidants and fiber that can help improve circulation and stabilize blood sugar, both important for protecting nerves over time. Then finally, add fortified almond milk. Fortified almond milk contains added vitamin B12, an essential nutrient that helps maintain healthy nerve cells and support the protective covering around nerves called the myelin sheath. Getting enough of vitamin B12 may help reduce tingling, numbness, and nerve weakness, especially in adults over 40. Now, this juice best consumed in the evening or after dinner because tart cherry may help relaxation and nighttime recovery. The taste, it is earthy, slightly tart from the cherry with a little kick from the ginger. Most people enjoy it after the first few days. Now, be realistic with your expectations. This is not an overnight solution. Your nerves did not get damaged overnight, and they will not heal overnight. But here's what many people notice. Within the first 2 to 3 weeks of drinking this daily juice, less burning, and tingling, especially at night. Drink every evening. Give it 30 days of consistency. And do not be surprised when you start sleeping through the night again. Do not be surprised when that tingling starts to quiet down. Do not be surprised when people ask you, why are you moving so much better? Save this video right now so you have the recipe when you need it. And add a comment below. Tell me, where do you feel your nerve pain the most? Your hands? Your feet? Your legs? I read every comment. Let me know. And if this video helped you, share it with someone over 40 who needs to see this.
So there you go, Tonic Nation. I hope you liked the episodes today. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please just drop it down in the comment below. And if you want the full breakdown of the ingredients that I've used on this video, check on the description. There's going to be a link that's going to bring you down to a page that's going to show you the whole breakdown of the ingredients that I've shown you on this video. So once again, tonics, stay healthy and pain-free. And see you on the next episode.